Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are discussing about the reforestation, restoring the forest and reviving the planet. First of all, that is the table of the content. In this lecture, we will discuss about the what is reforestation, environmental benefits of the reforestation, social and the economic benefits, reforestation methods, challenges in reforestation, and how you can contribute. This is the table of the content, and let's start. What is the reforestation? Reforestation is process of the replanting the tree in area that have been cut down or damaged. It is an important step in restoring the forest ecosystem and they reduce the carbon emission and maintain the biodiversity. It means that if we reforest and that reforestation reduce the carbon emission because the production of the oxygen, and they also maintain the biodiversity because they provide the habitat to all of the living organism, their flora and fauna, and they provide the habitat and the food to the other living organisms, and these species were come back into the forest, and they established the food chain and food web, and they all restored the biodiversity. Next, that is the environmental benefits of reforestation. Reforestation has many environmental benefits such as carbon dioxide sequestration and restoration of the degraded soil, and the um, improved water quality and the protection of the biodiversity. Carbon dioxide sequestration, that mean that they consume the carbon dioxide and they produce the oxygen, and they create their own food, and as the in byproduct they create the oxygen. And restoration of the degraded soil mean that the soil that is unfertile, after the reforestation they gain their nutrient back, and they are restoration, soil restore their all of the minerals, and improve the growth of the plant, improve the water quality. That's why, because the plant absorb the water, and they also increase the water quality in this area, and protection of the biodiversity. After reforestation, they protect the ecosystem, and the biodiversity, and all the species that they having the habitat in this forest. Next, there is social and the economic benefit. In addition to the environmental benefit, reforestation also provides the social and the economic benefits. These benefits include increased food security and support for the local communities that develop on the forest for their livelihoods, because in the forest they having a lot of fruits, and the vegetables there are wild, and they are used by the local communities, and they also protect the different species, and they also provide the different small businesses for the local community, and this is the social and the economic benefit for the local people. Reforestation methods. Reforestation methods include the direct tree planting, assisted natural regeneration, and agroforestry techniques. The choice of method depend upon the local condition, project objective, and the type of the ecosystem being restored. Next, that is the challenges in the reforestation. Reforestation method include the direct tree planting, says the natural regeneration, and the agroforestry technique. The choice of the method depend upon the local condition, project objective, and the type of the ecosystem that they restore. How you can contribute? Everyone can contribute to reforestation in the variety of the ways, such as supporting tree planting programs, participating in local reforestation activities, and reducing the use of the product that come from the unsustainable forest. Working together, we can restore the lost forest, protect biodiversity, and combat climate change of the greener and sustainable future. Thank you for your listening. Keep watching and Allah Hafiz.